Today we're featuring a 2016 Buick Encore. It's got 17,000 miles on it. It's graphite gray metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome door handles here. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle is in good shape as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows. It does have the black cloth seats, but the trim here is leather. Okay, driver's seat's in good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good too. No problem there. It is an automatic. There's your climate control center there. AM, FM, CD player. You have a display screen right here with the backup camera. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then there's your cruise control there. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 17,267 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'm going to go ahead and show you the display screen here. Alright, those are all your apps on your home page. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse and activate the backup camera. Alright. Car's been running out for a little while. The AC is blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat back here looks good. Same thing, it's got the cloth inserts, leather trim, but everything's in good shape. Carpet back here is clean. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the storage area. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Got your spare tire back there. Nice sunshade here when it closes. Alright, but a lot of room back here in this Encore. Alright, let's take a look at your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Alright, still got some tread left on the tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Buick Encore, 17,000 miles on it. Alright, so been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.